welcome back to Priya's Inspirations. Thank you so much for your subscriptions and your shares and comments, and I would really love to see all those. Thank you so much for your great response. And today I would like to talk about a topic called Be a Good Human. Of course, everyone are born with the good qualities and good character, but the way we just brought up and the surroundings and the people and makes us lead a good quality life, and the better surroundings made us sometimes a good human. So let me discuss something today, the very recent topic, a pathetic topic about Mr. Sushant Singh Rajput. I don't want to get into the story behind what happened and all, but the only thing that which I would like to discuss about him is I heard somewhere, and I guess I read somewhere, that he is having a 9.8 million followers in Instagram and 1.8 million followers in Twitter. See, having such a huge followers, he left all alone one night and he committed suicide. What a pathetic incident it is. Just imagine what is the great pain that he had been through the particular time. And many are in that particular situations these days. Many were in a lot of pain. By looking at people, sometimes we think that they're happy because they are talkative and they laugh, and maybe the outer side, whatever they are acting, not the same inner side. This is what I just wanted to discuss about today. Because having those many followers, he would have been through a lot of pain. He doesn't have maybe anybody else to discuss or to share his pain. Maybe we have a people around us like that, and maybe they would not discuss anything with us. Please, we have only one life. Better talk to somebody. Maybe you do have a miscommunication or a misunderstanding with our loved ones, and you may try to you may already stop talking to them and stop communicating with them. Come on, don't be so arrogant and don't be so stubborn every time, because we are all a human. All human life combined with the forgiveness, love and joy and sharing and everything like that. Many people say, I love myself. I really hate those statements, because when you keep loving yourself, when you love someone, when you have time to love someone, because people are sometimes speak so selfish that I'm busy with my work, I'm busy with my career, I'm busy with my family, I'm busy with my children, I'm busy with my business, something like that. When you keep busy loving yourself and leading life for your own, when you lead a life for someone, come on, I'm not asking you to sacrifice your life for someone, but share a little care for someone and step into their life and try to know your loved ones. Are they happy? Are they doing good? Or is there any possibility that you can stretch a hand to them? This is what called a good human. When you die, your body may vanish, but the aroma of your good works and good character and everything comes out. It stays for a long time, because I keep telling every time that we have only one life. We do not know what happened today and what happened tonight and what about tomorrow. So my dear friends, my sincere suggestion is don't be stubborn. Sometimes people give a statement, I am what I am, and I don't want to change my attitude, my character for somebody, and I don't want to compromise for someone like that. Maybe if you are today in the same situation, having a miscommunication with your loved ones or with your friends and whomever they are, but please come on, step down and talk to them, love them. I guess I'm speaking to someone who's in the same situation. Give a call and talk to them and try to understand them and try to step into their thing and talk to them, because there is a saying, if you pour out your heart, 9 out of 10 people, 9 people that laugh at you, but 1 people listen you. So why don't you be that one person to listen somebody? Because the good words and the good character and the love with whom you share matters a lot, because we do not know when we die. See, that particular person, he got a good score, a single digit score, and he studied in a topmost college, and he achieved his career, and finally these are all the achievements and reward did not come along with him one day. The followers, whomever he had in his life, did not come the end of the moment. See what a pathetic situation. My dear friends, my sincere suggestion is, please share your love. Spend little time with your loved ones. Maybe someone is missing you and someone is remembering you, that they wanted to come to you and they wanted to call you, and maybe you are avoiding them. Maybe they are missing you so much. Hope you understand the pain what I am just trying to tell you today. So someone is missing you. Please share your love and be a good human. So there is nothing that we can carry once we die. The only thing that we carry is a goodness and a good works. Hope you enjoy my message, and thank you so much for watching. Hope you enjoy this video. Thank you so much.